Turing Shield helps you prevent and slow down the spread of COVID-19 by securing a safe environment. Turing Shield is available as a standalone or network solution. While the network solution has a host of features to access the data scanned, you could opt for the standalone solution if your only requirements are mask detection and thermal scanning. You can easily install the standalone device within a few minutes. Let's take a look at how to install Turing Shield as a standalone device. Your package will have the Turing thermal scanner with a mounting stand, a power adapter, and an operating manual with instructions on how to install the scanner. The type of mounting stand included in your package depends on the type of stand you chose while purchasing the scanner. Turing offers a variety of options for stands and accessories. You can choose from the standard off-the-shelf options seen here or request a custom fit for your specific need. Your package may have the scanner already attached to the stand. If not, simply follow the steps in the operating manual to fix the scanner to the stand. For example, for a wall mount, use head screws to attach the scanner to the mount. The cord coming out of the back of the scanner has 6 ports, one of which is the power cable. While you can use the external data ports when required, the basic operation of the scanner does not require any other connection other than the 12-volt power cable. Attach the power adapter to the 12-volt power cable of the scanner. Plug in the power adapter to a plug outlet and power on. The camera automatically starts and the scanner may take up to 5 minutes to boot. The outline of a head and shoulders appears on the screen and voila, your scanner is ready to use. Stand in front of the scanner to get your first reading.
Please wear mask. Mask is confirmed. Thanks. Your body temperature is normal.
The scanner generates an alert when the temperature reading is above the acceptable temperature recommended by your organization.
Your temperature is out of the recommended range.
If you need to change the temperature settings, you can use an RJ45 cord to connect the device to a Windows computer and install the Windows-based configuration tool to execute the change. We've reached the end of this video. You now understand how to install Turing Shield as a standalone device. Thank you for watching.